Hi, this is Joshua from Windsor Telecom, and this is a guide to the My Windsor Portal. Once you've set up your My Windsor account, you can access the portal by googling My Windsor Portal or visiting my.windsor-telecom.co.uk directly. After logging in, you'll be presented with an overview screen as you can see here. There are many areas within the portal which can be accessed through the buttons and the menus, and we dive into this further within our knowledge base articles. However, in this guide, we're just going to focus on the basics to get you started. Starting off with the My Account menu at the top, this area contains important information such as your account details, company details and invoices. If you have any inbound numbers with us, they will be displayed in this section here. By clicking on this icon, it will take you into another area of the portal where you can manage your plan. An example of one of the features you might have on your plan is time routing. This can be accessed by clicking the icon here. A pop-up will appear which will show you your opening hours for the week. To change the opening and closing times of each day, we simply enter the new time in 24-hour format. If you wanted to duplicate the times across every day of the week, then click the green arrow. If you're not open on certain days, then uncheck the tick box next to it. This will then mean those days will follow your out of hours routing. Once you're happy with your new time zones, click Save. Remember to click Save on the pop-up and within your plan. If you want to change your out of hours routing, this can be done by pressing the right green arrow here and clicking on time of day routing. Once you're ready to go back, click the left arrow. Another feature is called diverts. You can change your diverts by clicking this button here. A new pop-up will appear with a few different settings that can be configured. From here, you can enter the number where you want the call to be diverted to and the ring duration. Remember to click Save on the pop-up and within your plan. We also have the voicemail to email feature, which can be configured by clicking the icon here. A new pop-up will appear, and from here you can assign an email address where you'd like the voicemails to be sent to. Additionally, you can add audio which callers will hear when they get through to your voicemail. Remember to click Save on the pop-up and your plan. This has been a brief overview of some of the features within My Windsor Portal. If you require more help and support, then you can find this by hovering over the My Help Centre button in the navigation, or give us a call. Thank you for watching.